What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. My name is Daniel, and today we're going to be reviewing the Nest Thermostat. So as you might have noticed that there's no box, instructions, it's just a thermostat with the base and the cover. So yes, I got it on eBay. It's not new, it's used, but as you can see, I cannot afford a new thermostat because it's like $300. So it is what it is, I guess. Alright, so basically guys, this is a thermostat. So we have three pieces basically. I don't have any boxes or instructions because once again I bought it online. So this is the back plate. So if you had like an old thermostat, which is like a pretty big one, and then it wouldn't cover the paint job and you have to repaint it, you don't want to do that. You just gotta put a back plate on and you have to put this on. The second part is this. You got all your little pieces here. And then you get connected, your heat and a bunch of stuff. So you connect your heat, your fan, your vents, everything. And conveniently, they put like a level here so you can level off and make sure your Nest thermostat is right in the middle. And then this is your thermostat. So if I wanted to turn it on, I'm gonna have to put it back on its base. Hold it down for 5 seconds. So you gotta give it a few moments to load. As you can see, this is the home screen. So basically, the side is aluminum, okay? The front is plastic, the screen is plastic. And no, it's not touch screen. You control it by spinning the aluminum wheel. There is a green LED light here that blinks when you plug it in. And this is your Nest logo. And at the back is also plastic. Okay, now we have loaded on. Alright, it's darker now, but hopefully you can see the thermostat much better. Basically guys, I pressed, so this is to set your temperature. You press on it. You got your heat mode, your equal mode, which is like when you're away, and settings. You got home away mode, equal mode again, safety temperature, Nest sense. You gotta just wake, and there's a bunch of settings too. There's brightness settings, time settings, there's a lot of things. What you have here, so basically when you walk by, you will see the screen. This is the screen when you walk by, when it turns on when you walk by. And if you press on it, you can see the temperature outside, the day right now. You can also see the current indoor temperature and the humidity inside. So currently down here, humidity is 71%, which is better than regular. Average is supposed to be 50 to 60, I believe. But that's pretty much all. Oh yeah, and also you connect it to your Nest app and control your thermostat there. But let's install this thing. Step 1 is to put on the cover, so you will block the frame that your old existing thermostat has created. Step 2 is to put on your base plate for your thermostat to sit on and for your wires to be plugged into. Next, grab your screwdriver and grab your screws and screw on the thermostat base to your wall so it's secured and it won't fall off. So the next step, I have to install the 2 wires into one of the 8 slots. So for me, I only got 2 wires, but for newer houses or like houses with air conditioning or ventilation, they could have possibly 4 or 5, possibly being all 8 wires. But basically what I'm doing is the white wire goes up top to the farthest top right, and the black wire goes down to the farthest bottom left. But for me, I sort of had a tiny problem because my black wire fit, but then the white wire was kind of too short. So then I came up with a plan, because I knew the wire was coming from the left side. So if I just started hammering the drywall off, maybe the wire, like give it like another 1 inch or so, it would fit in. But it's a very tight squeeze. So after like 10 minutes of hammering or clipping the drywall off, I managed to put on the back plate, put on the base plate. So I then cleaned off the area and put on the thermostat. So it clips on pretty easily with magnets and friction. As you can see, it's turned on right now and it's checking the wiring, so I press OK. And it's showing me that it detected this equipment. I press continue, press done, and the thermostat has been completed. Easy like that. I say the installation process is actually pretty easy. So if I didn't have to like clip the drywall and all that, it probably would have been installed in 10-15 minutes, because I actually installed this once but I took it apart. And the first time I installed it took me 15 minutes because I wasn't really used to it. But the second time I installed it, I knew how to do everything and I wasn't scared of breaking anything. So it's a pretty good installation. I noticed when I was installing this, you saw a Ring 2nd Gen alarm system to my right. I already installed this, but the video will be up very soon. So if you want to see this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss my Ring video. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.